Melhoff Security and Technologies sets the standard for all your intrusion alarm systems, specializing in audio, video, surveillance, home theater, and door access needs. Call Melhoff Security, your local Secure Tech dealer, for a free consultation today.
60, 58 lead, 59. How do you been it now? Been 9, been 9 now, down 9 now, been now, order now, been deserted, been deserted, order, been deserted, year now, been order down, deserted, been deserted, been deserted, 1, order, 51, quarter, 1 half. How do one deserted, been now, 2, don't hear the order now, do now, been deserted, 2 now, the bottom, 62 and a quarter next round.
Well, I think up west must have. Look, boy! I saw some cars coming from the west that looked like they had more snow maybe.
Dale, about 12. A couple of younger bulls in there in that mix. Tommy Kucher's bull out of Richmond, 2,250 pounds, 70, 65, and now 60 bid 1. That's 60 bid 1, 1 bid, 61, 1 bid, half, and now $1 bid, now $1 bid here in the quarter. That's 60 bid.
Here's the black bull. Pretty good bull, boys. Have a look.
55. Gentlemen, did you give 65? 60 bucks. He weighs 12.55, that's all. 60? 56. And now, order now, bid 7, bid here in the border down, quarter. 17 and a half on this bull, but 150. 51, 51, 2, 1 now, 2.
Thanks. Cream sugar?
Block, Canadian Reds, to be about, I think, 72 yearling bulls. Very good bulls. Performance tested Red Angus bulls here. So it starts at 1 o'clock. 16:20. We lures here. Hello, the same 116, 50.